My name is Aubrey and welcome to my channel. I decided to start making content because I would like to go on a hair care journey with you. People are always asking me like if I use curlers in my hair, if I use pencils, if I do twist outs, whatever. So I decided, hey, why not just make a YouTube video and show everyone how I get around. Today is going to be essentially a get ready with me tutorial. So keep on watching.
Alright, this is my hair washed and conditioned, and I've also deep conditioned it and detangled it. It's looking pretty fluffy right now. I'm just showing you guys different angles. It is pretty shiny too, so take care of your hair. Going in with the CC Beauty hairspray bottle. The main theme of this is going to be me having soaking wet hair because I just usually get around in the shower, but for the purpose of making this video, my hair has to be very wet, so this is how I do it outside of the shower. It just really helps with styling my hair, and it really helps the curls just, pop, which you'll see. Next I'll be going in with this Mane Choice Tropical Moringa Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff smells really good. It's not too overpowering, it's a very tropical sweet scent, which I'm all about. I will just apply this from typically my roots to my ends, and I'm feeling it right now, but I'll just pretty much evenly coat my hair in this, which also helps form my curls after I manipulate with the product. Next I'll be going in with this Mane Choice Twist Out Gel. And I repeat the same process with this. It smells really good. I will also flip my hair around and add more water. The consistency of this gel really helps lock my curls into place, and it's pretty good stuff. I'm also showing you angles and adding more water. Next, I'll be going in with this Extreme Wetline Gel. It's very thick in consistency. Smells good too. It smells like green apples, honestly. I also put this for my roots, and I give myself like a Herbert hairstyle by splitting my hair down the middle and then also like pushing and pulling it up. And as you can see, my curls are forming once again. You want this squish noise? If your hair's not knocking you in your eyes like so, you're doing it wrong, baby. That's how I know I have enough product in my hair, and this also makes my hair extremely shiny. I don't know what it is about this product combo of the Mane Choice Braid Out Glaze and the Wetline Extreme, but it is amazing. And you can see it just clumping my curls together. Once again, I am adding more water and showing you guys a few different angles again of how my hair is looking. It's pretty weighed down, which I do like. It allows me to add control. And if you see here, my curls are just shaping right down to my scalp. And I'm also shaking out, which helps form my curls too. Oh yes, look at that, yeah. So I've never been a real advocate of sectioning my hair. I feel like I just don't do it right, or it's too much work. But I mean, when curls start to form, I get sassy and I feel good, and it's just a good time. You start having a good time. And so I just keep shaking it out, head banging, and you can see here, it's really coming together. Then I'll just, fling my hair some more. I literally just do this in the shower. Pretty much, see, yeah, this is what it does. It locks them in place, and I absolutely love this. It's so good with my hair, and I will just flip it around, showing you guys different angles once again of how it's coming along. Yes, it is dripping down my neck. It's a little uncomfortable, but gotta do what you gotta do for a video, you know? Gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Here is the product after it's been applied, taken a few pictures, and it's super shiny. Then I'm going in with this DevaCryl Diffuser, I think it's what it's called. It's a little hard to get on at first, excuse my devious face, but I'll just put this on. I think it's a Hot Tools hair dryer, and I'll just slide this into my hair, and it pretty much, I go for my roots first. I was having a lot of issues with frizz even after I'd get a haircut, and I still went and got a haircut anyway, and like my hair would come out fine in the shower, and after it would start to dry it would get frizzy. I figured out it was my roots. The tips of my hair were drying, but my hair was getting to like such a length, it was creating like a canopy effect, I guess you'd say. And it was just like heating my scalp and just pretty much steaming my roots so they would get fluffy and frizzy. But this Diffuser really gets into my roots and dries those first. So I try to dry my roots first and then the ends of my hair. And after a certain amount of dryage, I will take it off and kind of move back and forth, which also helps separate my curls. If you can see here, my hair is very shiny. I get a lot of really good hold out of this, and I absolutely love it. I'll try and put in another clip. Sometimes I will like flip my hair upside down and just use the blow dryer without the diffuser, and it like just forms ropes, I guess, is how I would describe it. But it's been a really good time. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will also try and have all the products that I used in this video in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.